Welcome back to Make It Mental, everybody. What you're looking at right here is the rear end section of my COVID-19 rally car. I have cut off these big pieces that you see here and here that used to be back here because I used the plastic originally for the suspension. It determined the spring rate. It's very, very stiff, but it was flexible. And because of an unfortunate accident about 45-50 miles an hour, I'm now redesigning it. I'm going to add back in the A979 articulating suspension. So what I've done is I've traced it out. I've cut the plastic piece out here in the middle. And I've traced it out with a sharp object to kind of get me close. Now I need to hand file it. So I can't emphasize enough, if you have not watched any of my other previous videos, always cut big, then go back through and finalize everything. Cut it big, file it down as needed. You want to minimize your slop. You want to minimize any kind of errors that might be included in this. And these are not symmetrical with the A979 and probably not the vehicle that you're working on. You see this little flat piece that goes across here? There it is on the opposite side. So if you were to switch this around to the other side, it's totally different. So as you can see right here, I got, although upside down, you can see I got this marked with a L for left. And the other one I got marked for R for a right somewhere. It might be on the other side. Where is it? There it is. There's an R for right. So that will go here, back out, and that will go there. The only difficulty I'm seeing right now is my homemade rear diffuser, which is actually part of this chassis. This is all one piece from front to back except for the sides. I think I'm going to have to heat up this area and bend it up, heat up this area and bend it up, so that way I can drill a small hole in here, so that way these two pieces can now be joined together in one harmonious fashion to create some sort of articulating suspension, like so. Then I have to come up with some sort of spring mount for this. But hopefully you don't have to go through this. I'm just sharing with you guys knowledge, power, right? So that way you can be better informed. Maybe if you're customizing a vehicle or want to make a ground vehicle from beginning to end, and you're using maybe some extra parts like I have done here with this particular vehicle. Some of the steps I used in the process. You may not use this particular step or other steps I have used, but it may influence your decision later on when you run across such a problem. Have a good night.